Today we're looking at a new category of devices, ultra short throw projectors. These compact powerhouses are revolutionizing home entertainment, bringing big screen experiences to even the smallest living spaces. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the top models, comparing their features, performance, and value to help you choose the best one for your needs. Let's kick things off with our first contender, the Optoma GT5600. Optoma offers an excellent entry-level ultra short throw projector, perfect for those looking to set up a home theater without breaking the bank. It delivers a full HD experience with 1080p resolution, making it ideal for watching movies, TV shows, or gaming. Its 3600 lumens allow it to perform well in both dimly lit and moderately bright rooms. The GT5600 also boasts a 20,001 contrast ratio, ensuring deep blacks and vibrant colors, bringing your content to life. For audio, it comes equipped with a 10W built-in speaker. While this might suffice for casual viewing, serious home theater enthusiasts might consider connecting a separate sound system for a more immersive experience. The Optoma GT5600 is designed with convenience in mind, offering a simple setup process. Its compact form factor makes it easy to position directly in front of the screen, minimizing clutter. Overall, the Optoma GT5600 offers great value for its price, delivering a solid HD experience, bright visuals, and a contrast ratio that will make movies, games, and presentations pop. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable entry into the world of ultra short throw projectors, the Optoma GT5600 is a strong contender. Next up, we have the Heisen PL1, a powerhouse ultra short throw projector designed for cinephiles and home theater enthusiasts. The Heisen PL1 brings a true 4K UHD experience to your living room, delivering stunningly sharp images and vibrant colors. Its 2100 lumens brightness makes it suitable for various lighting conditions, ensuring that your favorite movies, TV shows, and games look their best, whether you're watching in the daytime or the evening. This projector also supports HDR10, providing a broader range of colors and enhanced contrast, which brings content to life in a way that will captivate your audience. Whether it's the fine details in a movie scene or the striking visuals of a video game, the PL1 delivers a rich, immersive experience. A key feature of the Heisen PL1 is its built-in Android TV, offering seamless access to a variety of apps and streaming services, including Netflix, YouTube, and more. This makes it an all-in-one entertainment solution, eliminating the need for separate streaming devices. For audio, the PL1 comes with built-in speakers, offering decent sound quality for casual viewing. However, home theater enthusiasts might still opt for a separate sound system for a more immersive audio experience. In terms of design, the Heisen PL1 has a sleek, modern look, making it a stylish addition to any home setup. Its easy-to-use interface and compact size make it a convenient choice for those looking to set up or upgrade their home entertainment system. Overall, the Heisen PL1 combines impressive visual quality, smart functionality, and a sleek design, making it an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their home entertainment experience to the next level. Next on our list is the Nexigo Aurora Pro, an ultra short throw projector designed for those who value high-resolution visuals and advanced display technology. The Nexigo Aurora Pro delivers a 4K resolution experience, ensuring crisp and clear visuals that capture even the smallest details in your favorite movies, TV shows, and video games. Its advanced laser display technology contributes to vivid and accurate colors, providing a rich visual experience that's sure to impress. With a 2500 lumen brightness, the Aurora Pro is well suited for various lighting conditions, from dimly lit home theaters to moderately bright living rooms. This makes it a versatile choice, adapting to different viewing environments seamlessly. The Aurora Pro also offers built-in smart functionality, allowing you to stream content directly from popular services like Netflix, YouTube, and more. This all-in-one solution simplifies your entertainment setup, eliminating the need for separate streaming devices. The projector's connectivity options are also noteworthy, including HDMI and USB ports, ensuring you can easily connect gaming consoles, media players, and other devices, further expanding your entertainment options. In terms of audio, the Aurora Pro comes with integrated speakers, offering decent sound quality for casual viewing. However, for a more immersive audio experience, a separate sound system may be preferable. Overall, the Nexigo Aurora Pro is an excellent option for those seeking a 4K ultra short throw projector with vibrant visuals, smart functionality, and a stylish design, making it a well-rounded choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. Now let's talk about Samsung's Premier, an ultra short throw projector designed for a truly cinematic home experience. The Premier offers two models, the LSP-7T with a 120-inch display and the LSP-9T with a 130-inch display, both delivering stunning 4K resolution. The Premier stands out with its triple laser technology, which provides exceptional color accuracy and depth. This enhances the overall viewing experience, making content appear more lifelike and immersive. One of the Premier's key features is its built-in Tizen OS, giving you seamless access to various streaming services, including Netflix, YouTube, and more. This smart functionality transforms the Premier into an all-in-one entertainment solution, simplifying your home theater setup. For audio, the Premier features a robust integrated sound system, offering a complete audiovisual experience directly from the projector. The LSP-9T model includes a 4.2-channel system, delivering rich and balanced sound. This provides a comprehensive home theater solution, though dedicated enthusiasts may still consider a separate sound system for a more immersive audio experience. The Premier's sleek design and modern look make it an attractive addition to any home setup, while its compact size ensures easy placement in front of the screen, minimizing clutter. Finally, let's take a look at our premium pick, the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800, an ultra short throw projector that offers impressive features for home theater enthusiasts. The Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 delivers a 4K UHD resolution, ensuring sharp, clear images that enhance your viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or gaming. Its 4,000 lumens brightness ensures that visuals remain vivid and bright in various lighting conditions, making it a suitable option for both dark home theaters and brighter living rooms. The LS800 also supports HDR10, providing a wider range of colors and deeper contrast, making content look more lifelike and immersive. This is especially valuable for film enthusiasts and gamers who will appreciate the rich visual detail. One of the key strengths of the LS800 is its connectivity options. With HDMI, USB, and built-in Wi-Fi, it integrates seamlessly with various devices, including gaming consoles, media players, and streaming services, making it a versatile choice for a range of entertainment needs. For audio, the LS800 is equipped with built-in Yamaha speakers, delivering high-quality sound directly from the projector. This offers a comprehensive audiovisual solution, though dedicated home theater enthusiasts may still opt for an external sound system to take their setup to the next level. Overall, the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 combines excellent visual quality, versatile connectivity options, and solid audio performance, making it a strong choice for those looking to really elevate their home entertainment setup. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite projectors below. Thanks for watching.